Be present and attentive. Spend quality time with your children. Listen to them and show interest in their lives. Your attention and engagement can make a significant impact on their well-being. Be consistent with discipline. Establish clear boundaries and consequences for your children's behavior. Stick to these rules consistently to help them understand what is expected of them. Provide a safe and nurturing environment. Children need a safe and comfortable environment where they can learn and grow. Create a home that is warm and welcoming and provide a sense of security for your children. Encourage independence. Allow your children to take age-appropriate risks and make decisions on their own. This will help them develop confidence, self-esteem, and independence. Foster positive communication. Encourage your children to express their thoughts and feelings openly and honestly. Create an open and non-judgmental space where they can share their experiences without fear of reprisal. Model good behavior. Children learn by observing and imitating the behavior of adults around them. Set a good example by demonstrating kindness, respect, and empathy in your interactions with others. Promote healthy habits. Encourage your children to develop healthy habits, such as eating well, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. These habits can have a positive impact on their physical and mental health. Celebrate achievements. Celebrate your children's achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Positive reinforcement can boost their self-esteem and motivate them to continue striving for success. Support their interests. Encourage your children to pursue their interests and passions. This can help them develop a sense of purpose and a love for learning. Seek help when needed. If you have concerns about your child's development or behavior, seek help from a qualified professional. Early intervention can make a significant difference in their future success and happiness. This can promote their overall mental and emotional well-being. Develop emotional intelligence. Help your children develop their emotional intelligence by teaching them how to identify, express, and manage their emotions. Emotional intelligence is a critical life skill that can improve their relationships, resilience, and overall well-being. Encourage critical thinking. Encourage your children to think critically and question the information they receive. This will help them develop their analytical skills, decision-making abilities, and intellectual curiosity. Foster creativity. Encourage your children to be creative and explore their imaginations. This can help them develop their problem-solving abilities, increase their confidence, and promote their overall mental well-being. Support healthy risk-taking. Encourage your children to take healthy risks, such as trying new activities or challenging themselves in new ways.